This van just grew a bedroom on a cliff. Let me explain. You're looking at a motorhome that measures under 6 meters on the road, shorter than most parking spaces, and yet somehow fits a queen bed, a full kitchen, a bathroom with a real shower, and enough storage to disappear for weeks. It's built on a Mercedes Sprinter. It has full-time 4x4, and it's already got an 18-month waiting list. This is the Starvan Rebel 4x4, and it's not what you think a motorhome is supposed to be. Let's get the number out of the way, because it's the first thing everyone asks, and it deserves real context. The Rebel 4x4 starts at €140,000, roughly $152,000 at current rates. That's a serious amount of money. But here's the question you actually need to ask. Compared to what? A luxury class A motorhome pushing 40 feet? That's $300,000, and you can't park it anywhere. A quality overlanding truck build? You're at $120,000 before you have a real bed. The Rebel gives you a certified production-built, go-anywhere motorhome on a Mercedes chassis, fully equipped and ready to drive the day it arrives. The base model is ready to hit the road as soon as it's delivered, with additional features like a larger solar array or composting toilet available as upgrades. Is it worth it? That depends entirely on what you're trying to do with your life. But for a specific kind of buyer, there is genuinely nothing else like it. On the road, this thing looks like a stealth van. No slide-outs jutting out the side, no satellite dish on the roof, nothing flashy. Vehicle length is 5.93 meters. It's narrow enough for European mountain roads, short enough for city parking structures, and quietly aggressive in its stance. Then you stop. You hit a button, and the rear extends by approximately 1.2 meters, nearly 4 feet, to make room for everything you need at camp. Various color options and special features like solar panels and roof racks are available, and the exterior lighting is functional, not decorative, designed to help you operate at night in remote locations. The whole silhouette is low profile by design. It's built to move through the world without drawing attention, until it doesn't. The RV industry has been building the same vehicles for decades. Bigger, longer, heavier, more amenities, but at the cost of freedom. You need a campsite with hookups. You need highways wide enough. You need a spotter to park. The Rebel is a direct response to that model. It blends innovative design with practical functionality, offering a unique and customizable mobile living experience that sets new standards for expandability, comfort, and trend alignment in van-based living. Compact enough to go anywhere, spacious enough to actually live in. That combination, until now, didn't exist in a production vehicle. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is that nothing feels compromised. The living area features a 2-person seating area with a freely swiveling table or a semi-dinette with 4 seats, with the option to add 2 additional belt-secured seats. The front seats swivel completely, converting the cab into a proper lounge. The kitchen is real. It comes with a 70-liter compressor, refrigerator, a 2-burner stove, and substantial storage space. You can spec it with gas or electric cooktops, and the fridge can be positioned for outside access, useful when you're cooking at the tailgate after a trail run. The bathroom is where the Rebel gets genuinely clever. The central bathroom module can actually move toward the rear to double the shower space. The slide-out doesn't just create the bedroom, it transforms the entire rear section of the van. The wet room includes a separate dry toilet, a shower, and an integrated wash basin. Power and water are taken seriously. Standard equipment includes a 100 Ah LiFePO4 lithium battery, expandable up to 300 Ah, a 160W roof solar panel that can be upgraded, a 6000W Truma diesel heater, a 100-liter fresh water tank, and a 65-liter wastewater tank. Each Rebel 4x4 is built to order, allowing for extensive customization. Composting toilet, larger solar array, upgraded battery bank. It's a bespoke build, not a dealership lot special. Here's where the Rebel separates from every other van conversion on the market. The Rebel 4x4 is equipped with Mercedes all-wheel drive with torque vectoring as standard, working fully automatically without any manual driver input, always paired with a 190 horsepower engine and the 9-speed G-tronic automatic transmission. Picture this. You found a Forest Service road in late October, wet, rutted, steep. A standard Sprinter conversion gets you to the trailhead, maybe. The Rebel gets you to the ridge. No button to press, no mode to select. The system reads the terrain and distributes torque before you feel wheel spin. Or another scenario. You're in Norway in February, wanting to wake up above the snowline. The optional Mercedes off-road package takes that capability even further, and all-terrain wheel options like the Delta 4x4 Hanma give it the visual and mechanical muscle to match. Unloaded weight is 3,100 kilograms, with a permissible total of 4,200 kilograms. That's over 1,100 kilograms of payload. Enough for gear, water, 2 people, and everything in between. This isn't a van pretending to be capable. It's a capable vehicle that happens to have a bedroom. The Rebel 4x4 answers a question most motorhome builders aren't even asking. What if you didn't have to choose between going anywhere and living well? Demand is through the roof. The current lead time sits at about 18 months. That tells you something. People aren't window shopping this one. If you want to go deeper on van builds, off-grid systems, or overland motorhomes, the next video is right here. Subscribe if this kind of content is your thing. The Rebel is waiting. The question is whether you are.